How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit the Netlify website name. So this is going to be the project right here. Of course, you want to click on your dashboard, navigate through your project, and from here we could just edit everything the way we want to. And basically inside the project configuration, there's going to be the project information. We have the project name, the owner, and more. So if you want to go ahead and change the website name, just click on the change product name right here. And let's go ahead and make it simple. Let's do something like guide to everything. Of course, you just want to click on the save button, and from there it will now edit the website name into that specific thing that we just entered. So right now it's going to be guide to everything.netlify.app. So once again, just head over to your dashboard. In here, navigate through your project, click on your project configuration, and it's going to be inside right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.